factors and still linked with politics, police have warned members of the public against attending a national super rally, that is NASA's rally, set for this afternoon at Jacaranda grounds right in the capital, Nairobi. County Police Commandant Japhet Kome says the conveners of the meeting have not notified the police, hence, should anything happen, police will not be liable. Speaking at his office, the Nairobi police boss further urged everybody, including politicians, to respect the rule of law, saying it is hard for the police to provide security as required by law when NASA leadership has not bothered to notify them. Listen.
Who are over 5 million, and the many foreigners who are in this city, who come to this city to do business, that we assure them of their security and safety. That is assured. As I've mentioned, we have gone through the electioneering period, both the general elections and the presidential elections, which we managed very well. So even the period which will come, which is ahead of us, we are ready as a police, national police service within the city. Very unfortunate. I know today I've heard there are some people who have called for a meeting within Jacaranda grounds. That is somewhere in Eastland. They have not notified the police. And this is the law. Chapter 56, Laws of Kenya. And would like everybody to be, every citizen of this country to be law-abiding. This act is the law of this country. It's an act of parliament stating clearly on anybody who has intention to have a public, any meeting, any gathering, any procession, clearly stated here, you notify the local OCS. You must notify the local OCS and tell that OCS where you will have your meeting. If it's a procession, the route you are going to use. If it's a demonstration, the route you are going to use, so that police can provide with the security. But now, when you people from the media tell me this afternoon we are going to have a meeting, somebody is holding a meeting, a public gathering at Jacaranda grounds, you have not notified the police. Why do you want to break the law? And when you do that, in the process, we have people injured. We have, among the group, rivalry. We are not notifying to prevent security. Then when we see that there is threat to life, threat to property, when we move in to disperse such a crowd so that we don't have people losing their lives, we have police brutality. Police brutality. I want to state clearly, I'll be very firm. I will not be intimidated by anybody. I will do my job. At this moment, I'm in this office, and I'm going to perform the job I've been given by Kenyans without fear or favor. Anybody who thinks he feels is going to make at all times residents of this city are in fear, I will not allow that one. So that message must go out clearly. And please assist me, my colleagues in the media. This is the law. It is there, clearly stipulated. Why do you want to break the law? We organize society. We are civilized society. All of us, we have been to school. Why do you want to take advantage of the weak people in the society? Demonstrating along the roads, the avenues, the highways. Some are hit by vehicles. You are saying police are not taking action. Why do you want to demonstrating along the road? You have not notified the police. We divert traffic. This time, everybody will carry his own cross. But the job will be done.